To fix an Apple Pay card not adding, start by checking if your device and card are compatible with Apple Pay. Ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest software and that your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay. Next, check that your card is eligible for Apple Pay. Some card types, such as prepaid or debit cards, may not be supported. Contact your bank or card issuer to confirm if your card can be added to Apple Pay. If your card is eligible, try removing and re-adding the card to Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app, tap on the card you want to remove, and tap the info icon. Then, tap Remove Card and confirm. After removal, try adding the card again by opening the Wallet app, tapping the plus sign, and following the prompts to add a new card. Another common issue is incorrect card information. Verify that the card number, expiration date, and security code are entered correctly. If you are still having trouble, contact your bank or card issuer to ensure the information on file matches what you are entering. Additionally, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection and that you have the latest version of the Wallet app. If you are using a credit or debit card, check that it is activated and has available funds. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting your device or resetting the Wallet app. You can also contact Apple support or your bank's customer service for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully add your card to Apple Pay and start making convenient and secure transactions.